There are 4 generations in the world of work today. For the first time in industrial history, 4 generations, each with its own generational outlook. The oldest generation, the baby boomers, are still in the world of work. They've virtually invented the workplace. They're confident, independent, idealistic, gradually beginning to think about their options now, whether they remain in work or they move on. Often they can do so because they've got property and they've got pensions, but a very, very influential generation, until recently the largest generation. So they're in work at the moment, but they're beginning to think about their options. Second generation, Generation X, and in many respects a squeezed generation, a generation in the middle, under pressure, very much thinking about its career options, thinking about where do we go next. Generation X has quite a few years to go yet in the world of work, so it's important that X thinks about what they want to achieve and what's available for them. X, in all our surveys, are the worried generation. They're worried about their kids, will they ever leave home? And it's not looking good. And they're worried about their careers. Increasingly, we've discovered that baby boomer chief executives are going talent spotting, not amongst X, but amongst millennials. They identify them in a different way. So Generation X, middle generation, managers really trying to make sense of things, the squeeze generation, the sandwich generation, but also a generation that are digital immigrants. They've taught themselves the language of computers and are very skilled at the language of computers. The third generation, the millennials, again, they're now the largest generation in the workplace. They're going to be the dominant generation very, very soon, by 2025. Digital natives, they've grown up with technology, it's all they know. They're very good at working together, very civic-minded, very good at working for values which motivate them. So this is a generation, rather than thinking about money, it's thinking very much about development. The youngest generation in the world of work, Generation Z, a generation that's really coming to age at these complex times. Lots of academic qualifications, great at working together, but also crucially, far more ambitious than the millennials. This is a generation that will be the great generation, but they're going through huge changes at the moment, lots of challenges, and our task in organisations is to help them flourish in this new world of work.